Hello guys, in this quick and easy tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can add collection list page to the main navigation menu. This is going to be a very quick video. I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how you can do this. Now first thing you need to do guys is you want to go to your Shopify dashboard. Okay, just log in into your Shopify, and after that you just need to click on content. Okay, so search here for content, and you want to after you click on content, you want to select here menus. Okay, there are like three different options here. Click on menus. Now you can add the collection list to the footer menu and also the main menu. It's the same process. Okay, so if you click for example on main menu, you just need to click here. It says add menu item here, and the label here it should be like something like collection list for example, and here the link you just need to select here collections and select all collections if you want, and then click on save. Okay, so as you can see we have now three different options here: home, catalog, content. When you add the collection list, you will be able to see it here. If you click here on the collection list, you will be able to see the collection here. Okay, so this is exactly how we can do this. Like I said, if you want to add it to the footer, you can just go back and click on footer, and the same process, just click on add menu item, collection, and then here the link which is the collection. Click on save. Sorry, I'm going to select here collections. Okay, I'm going to go with homepage for example, and then click on save, and then if you go to the footer, now you'll be able to see the collection. So that's exactly guys how you can do this. Okay, hopefully this tutorial guys helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next tutorial. Drop a like and see you.